Okay, this is going to talk about adding backgrounds in WeVideo. So when you click on the Backgrounds tab, you'll see that there's an animated section and a solid section. To see more of them, you can always click See All, but we'll talk about the animated section. So I want to use the animated section to provide for a really cool background on my video. You can also use the solid section, which just has solid colors. It's up to you. So I'm going to click it and drag it down to my video. You'll notice that I've already added text to this. So what you'll see is that when I make my background the same size as my text, and I drag my timeline editor back, I will have text that is over top of my background. Now, the other cool thing you can do is you can also provide backgrounds in the Extras section. In Extras, you can provide something called an overlay. So say, for example, I want to, and you can go in and take a look, provide some sort of like special feature inside of my video. So I'm going to put POW in my video. I'm going to drag it down, and I'm going to click Replace because I want to replace this. And you'll see that POW is going to be the background now. So when I go back, and I drag this back, and I press play, you'll see POW pops up there. Now, in order to adjust this, or any background, you can double click on the background, and you can go and you can edit the animation, what happens to the POW when it goes up. And you have a bunch of other different options here that you can edit within the WeVideo editor. You can save those changes when you're done. The final thing you can do is, I'm going to delete that, is you can put in callouts. So callouts are great ways to like highlight text in your video. So I'm going to add this arrow, and when I double click on it, you can see that I can grab the arrow and I can drag the arrow. I can drag it to where I want. I can go over here and change the color of the arrow if I want, and I can save the changes. So callouts is another way that you can add to the background of your media.